Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inspecting the problem so you know the exact extent and whether rust is present. Once done, wash the panel with automotive degreaser to remove oils. Make sure to dry it thoroughly. Now mask adjacent panels with high-quality tape and plastic sheeting. This prevents overspray. Use a plastic scraper and gentle pressure to remove loose, flaking paint. Then start sanding at the edge to feather the paint. This creates a solid mechanical bond for primer and prevents future peeling. You need to establish a stable substrate. Sand from coarse to fine to feather the old paint into sound material so new coatings won't lift. Once the edges are smooth, treat any exposed metal with a rust converter or inhibitor. This prevents undercutting. After wiping with a tack cloth and solvent, apply an epoxy or etch primer. Use thin, even passes and allow manufacturer flash times. Make sure to sand lightly between primer layers to remove high spots and improve adhesion before color top coat. You'll spray the base coat using light, overlapping passes so each coat dries thinly and bonds well. 2 to 3 coats build color without sagging. Once base is uniform, apply 2 thin clear coats for protection and gloss, observing flash and cure times carefully. After at least 24 to 48 hours of cure, wet sand and polish to blend with surrounding panels if needed. If peeling returns, inspect for contamination or insufficient primer adhesion. Strip to solid edges, correct the surface prep, and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.